Dear cherished taxpayer and distinguished customer of Ghana Revenue Authority, we want to modernize the way taxes are paid. We want to ensure that we are doing business in a friendly environment. We want to ensure that we digitalize many of our services as much as possible. And that's why today we are ensuring that it's easy for you to get your TIN. It's easy for you to pay. You can now pay from your home, from your phone, everywhere. And today, all the many queues that we used to have in our offices have all been removed. And you can go to the offices and find a friendly and open environment. This is only the beginning. We are going to continue to focus on these things to ensure that our customer experience, for that matter, the taxpayer experience, is par excellence. By making tax administration process simple, easy, quick, reliable for our taxpayers, we know that it will also encourage more people to pay the tax, so that tax paying will not be a difficult task. I want to understand that we see all of you as our customers, and we see all of you as our clients, and we want to make sure that the theme for the celebration, which is reflecting the power of service excellence in tax compliance, is exhibited by us. We are determined not to exhibit it just for the week, but continue to exhibit it throughout all our operations. And on that note, I want to say to all of you, our cherished taxpayers, our dear customers, thank you very much for your compliance. You enjoy the week, even as we celebrate the Customer Service Week. Thank you very much.